Native gardens have come a long way since they first emerged as a trend in the 1970s. And so have the natives that have been bred to fill them. Ozbreed plants are known to be no fuss, functional and drought tolerant, and many of them are native. I want to show you some of the best to include in your native style garden. Create structure or the bones of the garden with great hedging plants. These callistemons are evergreen, so they provide the space with that constant green background, with the added bonus of a seasonal flower show around spring. Westringers like Grey Box, Ozbreed Aussie Box or Mundy are also fantastic contenders for those evergreen hedges. They're naturally ball or bun shaped, so they also lend a sculptural form to the garden without too much maintenance. All of these plants benefit from an annual light tip prune. Create that contrasting strappy shape by planting lomandra cultivars, such as Tropic Cascade or Katy Bells. For a finer leafed lomandra, you could select Tanika, Shara, Evergreen Baby, or Pacific Sky. Their fine leaves catch the wind beautifully, adding dynamic movement to the garden. Their yellow flowers in spring are also fragrant, in an understated, subtle way. The Ozbreed Velvet range of kangaroo paws have that clumping strappy foliage with the added bonus of their iconic flowers, held high above the plant from winter to spring. The pops of colour that the flower contributes brightens up the garden like nothing else. Climbers like Ozbreed Flat White are great screening plants when used in conjunction with a trellis, or perform like a ground cover when left to spread, like a star jasmine, only native. Their big white flowers in spring are an added source of delight. Try the bright and bubbly Aussie Rambler, the fast-growing Carpobrodus with the giant pink flowers and succulent fleshy leaves. Or Urena Myoporum parvifolium, a woody-stemmed evergreen finer foliage ground cover with a more delicate white flower in spring and summer. Used in conjunction with a chunky mulch, ground covers have the added benefit of reducing weeds, which really cuts down on your maintenance time and just gives you more time to hang out in the garden.